Garant technique if you want to win the lottery all. On this video, I will explain very detailed on how it works. Okay. As you can see above, these are 84 combination generated without and excluded the number 4. This occupied 9 numbers. A total of 84 combination. Okay, now we are going to get a 3 actual previous result. Now we will get each pair. For 502, the pair are 500252. For 712, 7172 and 12. For 516, 5156 and 16. Now, we will use this pair to eliminate the combination that has this pair. So, all in all, on my example, I have 9 pairs. You can additional later more pairs, more elimination, and the lesser the number. Because on this technique, we occupied 9 numbers. You will only exclude 1 number. So, every day, you are guaranteed to win a combination. So now, by using the 5002 and 52 pairs, we will identify the exact combination and we will eliminate one by one. So by using these pairs, the 9 pairs, and by eliminating these current pairs and its corresponding combination, I have a total of 43 combination left for my place. So now the result is 43 combination after the elimination. Now, for the proof that you will win every day using this strategy, you can backtest this based on your local lottery. Find the pairs for the actual result and eliminate those combination that having these pairs, and you are left with your combination for your place. Okay, guys, hope you understand this simple lottery trick. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.